So hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing the review of the one of the greatest book I have ever read. I think this book, according to me, is one of the greatest book of all time. It should be, because it has written in this such a beautiful way, and in such a way that will connect all your emotional thoughts and all your that thoughts which you have in your head for your life, and it will just connect you, and it will just loosen all your cluster in your mind, in your heart, and just loosen them, and it will just ease your life in the best way possible. This book is a story of a painting. Basically, it is a story of a painting, and all the people who are connected to the painting. Basically, the artist who has drawn the painting, the people in the painting, and the person who is now having the painting. The story is all about them. And I think you will connect to this story as soon as you start reading the first page, because it's incredible. The book I am talking about is My Friends by Frederick Backman. This book, if you can notice, I have annotated also, and ये तो बस थोड़ी ही एनोटेशंस हैं जो मुझे लगा कि शायद सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है बुक के, वरना हर पेज भी इसका एनोटेट हो सकता है, बिकॉज ये इतनी स्पेशल है. अब इस बारे में जान लेते हैं कि किस बारे में द एक मैंने सिनॉप्सिस तो आपको दे दिया कि किस बारे में है, बट द मेन थीम्स विच आर डिस्कस्ड इन दिस बुक are very very well connected, that you will connect to them as soon as you possible. You are just started reading the book, and you will connect to those themes, those characters, and all their thoughts, emotion, and the way of they are thinking, the way they are thinking in that situation. This book is basically deals with the basically the main theme of the book is grief. How a person which is dealing with grief is just think about himself, and in this world he just think about everybody. This book will tell you that grief is not a mental illness, or it is not an emotional trauma which you just undergo. It is just a physical abuse to a human being when it just exceeds all of its limit. Because आई थिंक आप कभी ना कभी उस फेज से गुजरते हैं कि जब आपको ये लगता है कि नहीं, अब तो नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो ये उस वे में उस चीज़ को डिस्कस करती है. बट इस बुक की सबसे खूबसूरत बात ही यही है कि ये उस वे में उस चीज़ को डिस्कस तो करती है, बट आपको उस ट्रॉमा के साथ या उस डीमोटिवेशन के साथ छोड़ के नहीं जाती. ये आपको एक it will just immerse like a sunrise in that dark night that will cherish you all over your life. Like this is a book, I just love this. So it will just motivate you in the end and give you that inspiration ki that life is not ended, that grief is not everything. It is one of the part of your life, but it's not everything, and you can just move on with your life, with all your other people which you are having in your life. It just make things so special, so vulnerable, that you will just love them. The main character of this book, Louisa, is a teenager who is just undergoes such a mess because she just thinks that no one understands her. Of course, she is poor. She is basically she's an orphan, and she's living in an वही orphanage homes जो होते हैं उसमें वो रहती है. And all of she is dealing with those bad people, bad bullies, and the grief of losing someone whom she loves the most. And you will just connect to her from the first page, because you just got the main thinking and point of view of hers mainly, and the other people which are involved in this. I have said the artist who have drawn the painting, and the people in the painting, and the person who is having the painting now. And that for that all other reasons you have to read the book, because it's good, it's fast paced. If you have read any Frederick Backman book, I think आपको पता है कि आपको क्या मिलने वाला है. बट अगर आपने नहीं कोई पढ़ी है तो आप इससे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से. अगर शायद आपको बाकी लोग ये कहें कि आप नहीं कर सकते, बट मेरे हिसाब से ये एक बहुत ही सही पेस पे चलती है. लाइक इट्स फास्ट, नॉट फास्ट पेस्ड, बट इस पर एक वो मिस्ट्री है कि आपको जानना है कि आगे क्या होगा. तो ये थोड़ा एक फास्ट पेस्ड एलिमेंट ऐड कर देता है उसको, और स्टोरी तो इसकी बेस्ट है ही. सो नाउ आई विल रीड वन ऑफ द, आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल कोट ऑफ द बुक, एंड इट्स नॉट एनी कॉन्टेक्स्ट, कोई आपको स्पॉइलर नहीं मिलने वाला है. ऑफकोर्स ये ग्रीफ से डील कर रही है तो ऑफकोर्स वो डेथ एलिमेंट्स होंगे, तो उसका कोई स्पॉइलर नहीं है. सो जस्ट लिसन. That's the very hardest thing to understand about death. Nothing. That the world shrinks without him, because instead of him, there is just emptiness. The vibration of his laughter, the smell of his skin, his phone number. How can someone who meant everything to you become nothing at all? I think ये शायद आपको अभी उतना ज़्यादा हिट ना कर रहा हो, but I think you just read it. I will read one more. Because in grief, we are reminded that we are human beings. In life, we might be enemies, but when faced with death, we see the truth. We are one species. All we have is each other, and where you go, I shall follow. I think you just understand the writing style, and if you haven't read any Frederick Backman book, just go with it because it's the best, and according to me, it's one of the greatest book of all time. Just